Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some Chinese style pork. So that's my pork right there is pork steak. As you can see guys, I cut it up. These are all of my seasoning. I have Chinese 5 spice, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, everyday seasoning, ginger powder, and I also have some brown sugar, okay? I'm gonna list like the measurement below, okay? So I also have 2 spoons of dark soya sauce, and with that I also have 1 spoon of ketchup, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend all of my seasoning together. Just make sure everything is all combined, okay? So after I blend all of my seasoning together, now I'm just gonna sprinkle it on my pork. And guys, try not to use all of your seasoning because I'm gonna use the rest of my seasoning for my sauce. Okay, so stay tuned. So I'm just gonna take my spoon and just mix it all together. You can always use your hands. You want to make sure you mix it properly so all the seasoning will be on your pork, okay? Because you want your pork to be nice and full of flavor. Yeah. So after I finish mixing my pork, now I'm gonna add my dark soya sauce. And when you add your dark soya sauce, you're just gonna continue to mix it all through. So now I'm gonna add my ketchup, and guys, you just want to continue with the same process. Just mix it all through, okay? So my pork is all seasoning, and guys, you can always leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour. Yeah. So these are my other ingredients. Here I have some broccoli, and that's the amount that I'm using. I also have half an onion. As you can see, I chop it up. And I'm also gonna use some bell peppers. As you can see, all the color. That's half of bell peppers. And I also have some spring onions right there. And I'm gonna also have some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, okay? And that's my ginger right there. And guys, that's the amount that I'm using, not a lot. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 3 spoons of vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my onions and my garlic and my ginger. And you're just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least 1 minute. You want to give it a stir so everything will all combine together. So now I'm just adding my pork. So after adding my pork, I'm just gonna allow it to brown up for at least 5 minutes. Guys, I wish you guys could smell my house right now. It smells amazing. You could smell the ginger, the garlic, the onion, everything together. Just a nice fragrant. So good. So just make sure you mix it all together because you want your pork to have all that flavor of the ginger, of the onion, and of the garlic. So after 5 minutes, that's what it look like. And guys, I just add 1 spoon of dark soya sauce to my pot because I want it to be more darker. So that's the reason why. It is totally optional. And you just want to make sure you stir it all through. So now I'm just gonna add some of my spring onions. I'm not gonna use all of my spring onions. I'm gonna left back some, okay? So stay tuned. So in that cup there guys, I add 1 cup of water, and to my water I add at least 5 spoons of ketchup. Then you just want to stir it all through, okay? So after stirring it, you just want to add your water and your ketchup to your pot. So you just take your time, no rush, and you just add it, okay? Like so. So now I'm just gonna add some of my remaining ginger because I did not use all of my ginger guys. I left back some for this part. So now guys, I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning that's left from the beginning of the video. After I add my seasoning, I'm gonna add some more of the Chinese 5 spice because this is what gonna give your pork an amazing flavor. I'm telling you. Guys, I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon, okay? So I'm just adding some more of my dark soya sauce. As you can see, that's the amount that I'm adding. That's like 1 big spoon. So that's at least 2 spoon. Yeah. Then you just want to give it a stir. Make sure everything all combined together. So I'm just adding 1 spoon of brown sugar, and after you add your sugar guys, you just want to make sure that you stir it all together so everything will all combine, okay? And you're just gonna allow it to cook guys for at least 40 minutes and make sure you cover your pot. So after 40 minutes, that's what it look like. And guys, I'm telling you, it smell amazing. Guys, honestly, I wish you guys could be here right now. So now I'm just gonna add all of my bell pepper, and I'm gonna also add my broccoli. And guys, you're just gonna allow it to cook because you don't want your broccoli to be too soft. You're just gonna leave it for at least 3 to 4 minutes, okay? Then you just want to give it a stir. And guys, make sure your stove is on a low heat, okay? And guys, share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can receive more delicious videos like these. Yeah. So my Chinese style pork and broccoli is all finished, guys, and that's what it's look like. It looking absolutely delicious, I'm telling you. Mm. Better than the one from the Chinese shop. Guys, you better try this recipe. I'm telling you. Your family is gonna love it. Do try this recipe. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate, okay? So stay tuned. This is totally optional, but I'm just adding some sesame seed on top. So now I'm just serving my Chinese style pork. And guys, of course, I'm gonna serve it with some basmati plain rice because that's what goes perfectly with it. Oops, I spilled some on the side. That does happen. I'm not even gonna edit it out. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good. It looks so delicious. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to eat it. Now I'm just gonna wipe the side that I make the mess. Guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.